Today I will be going to eat some Brazilian cuisine. Yeah. Alright, so I am about 5 minutes from the restaurant right now. But I would just like to say thank you for tuning in for another video of the Paarl. And yeah, I love food, so quite a lot of my videos recently would be about food because I don't leave my food out. Alright, but you will be getting to see a variety of videos from me as well. So I do hope you continue enjoy watching videos from the Paarl. Okay, so I will see you again when I get to the restaurant. Rabipa?
Yes.
Alright, so I am getting some Brazilian food from my friend Emily's parents. So this is her papa,
Yes.
and her mama is the big chef. Yeah, so I am getting some, what are these again? Pastels. And we have
We have cheese pastel, a beef pastel, chicken pastel, cream cheese pastel, beef cheese pastel, pizza pastel, and the special that it's the you are gonna eat soon.
what's in the special?
Special? Wow, there's everything. It's special.
Alright.
Tomato, olive, cheese, beef, and so on.
Alright, and can I get something to drink too?
Yes, we have Coke and
Yeah.
Guarana. Which one would you like? Have you
Coca-Cola. What's that? This is a
Do you
Brazilian?
like- Yeah,
Okay, I'll try this one then.
Guarana muito.
Look at that. Big chef. They're speaking Portuguese.
Yeah, so when you come here, what do you say?
Oi, oi, oi!
That's right. Oi.
Oi! My special pastel.
You're
My
right.
special pastel. Alright. Yeah. My special pastel. Beef.
Still in the beginning.
It's almost like dumpling.
Dumpling.
Jamaican dumplings a little.
Oh.
There's egg inside too, and cheese, and corn, minced beef, and I put some of this lettuce
In
and
Portuguese, it's vinagrete.
This
Yes.
vinaigrette. Vinaigrette is onion and
Yes, onion, lettuce. Well,
onion and cabbage. Yeah, cabbage
and vinegar.
and vinegar. It's good though. I think it's a good combination to put in this, so you can add it as extra.
And ta-dang,
And the
guarana.
guarana.
Do you know what guarana?
No.
It's a Brazilian fruit, guarana, and this fruit, it's a natural energy drink. Yes, the fruit is from the Amazon.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
International.
my first Amazon experience.
Right.
Thank you.
Dessert, you can have a pastel of Romeo and Juliet. So the name Romeo and Juliet comes from because inside there is a guava, fruit and cheese. So nobody thinks that guava and cheese can match the taste, but it's really, really good. So you should try.
I will try when I'm finished with this one. Oh, this is good when you add what's the name of this again?
Vinaigrette.
When you add the vinaigrette, this is also very excellent. And when you go down and taste the egg inside, it's superb. So now we have the Romeo and Juliet pastel. I can smell the cinnamon and the sugary flavor.
I really like the smell.
Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, so let's try this, and again, this is very good. It is sweet, but good quantity. The balance is good.
Yeah, pasta is like that. That's why we eat outside.
Oh.
There's all kinds falling.
I really taste the cheese.
How is the cheese with guava?
Right, bite this side first. Good.
Good?
Like guava jam, but like pizza just the same. So guava jam and pizza mixed. This is it.
Yeah, like listening that, it doesn't look good.
But it is good though.
Right? I know, that's why it's Romeo and Juliet. Like two people that people didn't think that they could
Belong
match,
together.
but they match.
It's good though. My new Brazilian friend Rosanna. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
She's
Bye, Channel.
Bye Rosanna. She's such a wonderful spirit.
Bye.
Wonderful spirit.
Hi. Thank you. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao, Bianca. Arigato. Bye bye.
Ciao. I like her.